All right, everybody, we are now going for a ride in our 1974 Chevy Corvette with the red and the tan interior. This one has a small block Chevy with headers on it, with the American racing rims on the outside. This one is an automatic on the floor, vintage AC, 2-knob radio, aftermarket with cassette. As we're cruising down the road here, it is a smooth ride. Also, what's really nice about this car is it is a T-top edition. In fact, I kind of call this car from the movie Boogie Nights, because I remember the actor driving the one that looked just like this one. Very clean, very nice. Turning radius is good. Since we're coming up here, nobody's behind us, we'll give you a little brake test. Drives really nice. Our tach and speedometer work, as well as all of our gauges. Our temperature's running really nice. There's it going up the road now. It's very smooth. I'm not even holding on to the wheel right now, and it's very nice. And yeah, clean little Corvette. Small, but very stylish. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around now and get her on the lift. Stay tuned to see you underneath.